What's up guys, welcome to another one of our videos. Today in our bay we've got an AMG GTS. Beautiful car, it's here for a paint correction. After that we're going to buy full PPF over the entire car. Check out the process. On this GT, our first decontamination is done, our paint correction is done. It's now back in our wash bay. We're doing a final wash before it goes into our PPF bay.
That silver lining to the story. If you thought that I would turn and run, then y'all don't know me. Made my fears rest in peace, cause that's a old me. Got this taste on my tongue, I crave the glory. Gasoline in my veins, be the fuel through my pain. As we rise from the flames. Heart of a lion, never say never. Cut like a diamond, shine under pressure. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Pound on your chest like there's no tomorrow. Just play the game right, no one can follow. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire on up. They say the struggle is real, I say the struggle reveals how you deal with the monster that's inside you. I don't buy into the luck, I put my faith and my trust in my team, everything that we done been through.
Okay guys, another one done. This AMG GTS came to the shop. We did a full 2-stage correction, we did a wheel refurb, we PPF'd the entire car and we detailed the inside. It looks brand new and it's ready.
Heart of a lion, never say never. Cut like a diamond, shine under pressure. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Pound on your chest like there's no tomorrow. Just play the game right, no one can follow.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up if you did. We're going to bring you some amazing videos in 2022. Please subscribe to our channel and always share it with your friends. Thanks.